Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and do a makeup tutorial, but this makeup tutorial I'm doing today is in celebration of Triple H. If you don't know, I'm a big wrestling fan. And because I'm a big wrestling fan, I decided to do a makeup tutorial honoring Triple H. If you don't know who Triple H is and you are into wrestling, let me explain. Triple H is one of the biggest, several WWE superstars, let me just say it like that. It's one of several WWE superstars who is on the WWE. He has wrestled the likes of Hulk Hogan, Stone Cold Steve Austin, current wrestlers like Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins, former WWE superstar. Oh my God, it's so many I can name off, but it's a whole bunch of them. So I decided to let me find the brush I'm looking for, and we're gonna have to use this brush today. And I decided to actually play tributes to Triple H. Now, the reason I decided to play tribute to Triple H, he is celebrating, get this y'all, he is celebrating 25 years of wrestling, and so I wanted to pull something together and honor him for his 25 years of wrestling. So the first thing I'm doing, I already primed my face and primed my lids. So the first thing, I'm using the NYX Born to Glow foundation in Sienna. And I hope everybody has been doing fine during this time. We're just gonna add one more, and we're gonna be using two palettes. One is for the crease color, and the other is for the main colors. So all right, well, we're gonna need that. And we're going to use two concealers. I conceal with two concealers. So the first one I'm going to conceal with is the NYX Studio concealer. In CW6. And we're going to go back under the eye to add that second layer. Okay. So we're going to do this first. And we're going to be using my favorite setting powder, and that is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. Just use this for right now. In Banana by Black Radiance. So that's going to let it set. So while that's setting, we're going to go on and start the shadow. And we're going to take the Angel Angle brush. And we're going to use the Naked Urban Decay palette. And we're going to be using Bulk right here as the crease color. And I want for y'all the ones who like wrestling, what is your favorite Triple H moment? Yes, that is going to be the question for today. What is your favorite Triple H moment? So the next thing is we're going to be using a couple of tones of green today. And I'm going to start off with the color called Heaven Earth. And let me set that. And Heaven Earth is this color right here. It's a pretty color and thing. So I'm going to use that. Let me pull this back out so I can see what I'm doing. All right. Alright, so the next color, we're going to go to the next color, and that's going to be the, it's going to be Mocho. It's this color right here, right there. It's a little greener, but what we're going to do with it is something totally different for the color. And we just patting it in there. You know, we're just patting it. And we're just going to take this brush alright. Then the next thing we're going to take the color called St. Lucia. It's more of a shimmery green. But before I add that all over it, I'm going to take an angel brush, and with the black, we're just going to add in the crease part. And then we have that, and with this brush we're just going to try to blend it out a little bit. Now with St. Lucia, we're going to add that on the rest of the color. Alright. So the next thing color we're going to use one of my newer, no, here we go. We're going to use this brush right here. And we're going to use this as a highlight. And we're just going to take the beige in as a highlight. Okay, so we're through with the eyeshadow, but we're gonna go back in with this pearl color. Alright, so now we're going to finish up the face. So for now, we're going to be using my Queen CoverGirl Queen collection. This is a oldie but a favy, but I'm going to be using this. we're going to go a little natural. Yeah, that's right. We're going to use the LA Girl Rouge. And we're going to use the color Poppy. It's a little more on the natural color side. And we're going to be using the LA color. Excuse me, y'all. We're going to be using the LA colors from here. And we're going to be using the color Champagne. And we're going to take, not that brush, we're going to take this brush right here. And we're just going to do this. And we're just going to just to make sure I get everything blend down in thing. And the next thing is to put lipstick on. And let me see if I can pick the one I'm looking for. And we're going to use the color Mink. And that is it for this makeup look. And like I said, I think I did pretty okay for the tutorial. And like I said, this is a none other tribute makeup tutorial, tribute to Triple H. Until then, y'all, I will list everything that I used at the bottom. Till then, I'm Alicia Burton. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.